Now in front of us here, we'll look at the brand new Bosch VISIMOW. Danny has very kindly uprooted some of his garden for us to display it. And now, when I'm looking at this, it looks like a really simple interface that I'm looking at here. Tell us a bit about it.
Well, we're no stranger to the autonomous mower market. We've been doing it quite a long time now. However, this is classed as a semi-autonomous, so it's a lot simpler, a lot easier to set up. You don't have to dig up your garden to install any perimeter cables. It's simply pop it on the grass, press a couple of buttons, and away it goes.
So, not using a perimeter fencing, how does it know where the grass is and how does it have any clue where it's going?
Well, it's quite straightforward really. On the front here we have a visual camera. Now this picks up the colour of the grass, whether it's green or brown, obviously depending on the weather. And we've also got some ultrasonic sensors on here as well, which looks out for obstacles. So if you were to walk in front of it, it will stop, it will recognise you, so it won't hit you, or the cat, or the dog, or anything that happens to be roaming your garden at the time.
Right, and am I right to assume then with this, it's not intended as a full cutter. This is meant to operate much more often than you would run a normal lawnmower.
That's it. This is primarily for maintaining a lawn. So you'd have to do your initial cut with a proper lawnmower that collects the grass clippings, or put stripes down. This doesn't do either of those two. So this will cut the grass regularly, allowing that to be mulched back into the lawn again, giving you a better quality lawn.
Yeah, sure. So once that initial cut is done, you'll never need to do that cut again because this will then maintain the grass at that height that you want it to. And what heights can it maintain it to? I can see we've got a dial here. So
yep, we've got from 20 millimeters all the way up to 60 millimeters.
Okay, nice. So a nice variation of length. Now, running off the Bosch Green 18-volt batteries, how big of a lawn can it cut on one battery?
100 square meters, hence the name. We've got 100 on the front here, so 100 square meters. However, you fit a larger battery in there, it's gonna cut the lawn, any lawn that it can get to. You will have issues where you've got a path maybe running through your lawn, in which case you'd have to pick it up, pop it on the other set of lawn, and then again press go and away it goes.
Okay, yeah, and so let's just talk, so what's the process with, you get this mower, you put it down, you're ready to go, how do you get it started for those that might have purchased this and looking to how to use it?
That's it, you've only got 5 buttons on the front of this one, so super easy. You've obviously got the big stop button here, so should anything go awry, you've got the button on there, or to stop it to pick it up, just hit the big red button. The 4 buttons across the front here, we have a button for switching on and off the ultrasonics. Maybe this would work better if you have inanimate objects around the lawn and you just want to mow that area that you know there's nothing in. So you can switch those off there. We've got the spot mow. So after it's done its little routine around the garden, if it's missed a section, you can pop this straight on top of the section, press that button, and it will do a spiral to cut that particular spot. So giving you a nicely even cut lawn. We've got the auto mow one. This is the one you're going to be using the most. Press and hold that button for a second and then press start and away she goes. Okay. We've also got obviously the on button there, which doubles as that start button.
Okay, so it's nice to know that it does have that spot thing just in case something does go slightly awry, but of course that won't happen very often. Having picked this up myself, this really isn't a very heavy mower at all, so for those people that might not be as able to actually cut the lawn themselves, this is still going to be a good option for them, isn't it? That's
it, yeah, it's simply a one-handed pickup, and we've only put one hand on it, so yeah,
exactly.
Plenty there. Yeah.
Can it be used in all weathers?
We'd recommend this for use in dry weather, but whereas before, in our previous iterations of autonomous mowers, we had them connected to a cellular network, so they would tell the weather and then go out in the weather. Okay. It's a lot simpler with this. If it's wet, don't put it outside. Yeah. If it's dry, pop it out there.
Yeah, nice, and it's ready to go. And so how does it know when it's finished? Can it tell that all the grass has been cut, or is it sort of a handy system where it will just keep going until you've told it the grass is cut, and then you can just go and put it away again?
That's basically it. Yeah, you press the start button and away it goes. You can leave it out there for as long as you like. Then the battery gets down to a lower level, it will stop itself. It's not going to completely discharge the battery. It's very light and it's not going to chew up your garden either. So you can leave it out there quite happily.
So yeah, if you've got a lawn around 100 square meters, if you don't want to be mowing that all the time, you want something that's just going to pootle around and look after your lawn for you, this new Bosch VISIMOW is going to be the absolute perfect little tool for you. You can get it right now at its.co.uk.